So I'm delighted today to have the opportunity to thank our outgoing student leaders from the class of 2024 on behalf of our college community. Our leaders have been instrumental in forging relationships in the broader community. And for me, that's probably one of the most important things that our leadership team can do, is to bring people together and to unite our community.
Leadership for us has come in many avenues throughout our time here at the college. We would like to say a massive thank you to all the people who have helped us along our journey. We hope to embody the support and genuine passion of these people who have guided us. In particular, we thank Ms. Skirman for the role model of leadership she has demonstrated to us over our years at the college.
We will strive to be leaders who are passionate about what is possible. You have the potential to change the world. And by embracing this together, we can find strength in the truth that we share. Thank you so much for your support of this new leadership team over the past week. It means the world to us. Now, we want to grow from just support to meaningful relationships and celebrating what is important to you.